I wasn't gonna do this poem at first, but my little brother talked me into it. So he hasn't heard it, but he just likes to do it. It comes with like a little warning, and yeah, and I sing, unfortunately, so that's on you. I'm a field nigga, a field nigga's all I'll be. See these field niggas working in my dreams. We don't have no sense between us, and only half a cent between us, but only one makes sense to me. Field niggas all I'll be. Daddy said I was a field nigga, reading words with belt straps upon the lower back of my brain, until a deaf ears to a toddler shouts of pain. We live witness to change names, so now I'm a field nigga. One wrapped in the past so tight that the minutes of the rolls of cotton puncturing thorns in my thoughts like a reviled savior. Hours of unspoken withered hymnals, searching for faith, yet finding only hope in a moment is the fullest thing. With an overseer creating welts of time in a failing destiny. So I apply Epsom salt with faded memories and wonder why my wounds don't heal. I'm nothing but a field nigga, a mundane, unnoticed, brittle vessel of broken promises. And who's them that promised this, that reparations can repair anything that the robbing did? But if they insist and give, yes, I'll take my 40 acres. And then you can look at me and realize I'm still just another nigga in the field. So with the 40 acre in my hand, I grab my hoe. And I'm not talking about the one with which you go to work, but the one you put to work. Lying down in the pump with the fatal fuel. And with the ghetto as the field, that leaves my beautiful black sister as the promised mule. But really, that's not even nothing new. So I find newly designed rhymes to glorify stretch marks on butt cheeks. And when one sleeps, I sneak out to another bedroom to beat, leaving fatherless tears and kingless queens. But I'm a strong field nigga, and Massa wants me to breathe. So I breathe. Inhale the forgotten dreams of the simple field hands before me. Before their seeds were niggas, but just men singing songs to the stars to be free. So with their feet they believed, with their mouths they decreed, full steam ahead on a progressive tree. For what they sowed we surely do reap. So I took a piece of that already bitten fruit. Let my mind unravel to the knowledge of this forbidden food. See, Granny, she didn't know her ABCs. So to see me in this role cloaked in the green was a new beginning. Unknown to her, I took up fig leaves to this new beginnings. Capitalistic eye nude for sinning, trading twine ropes for gold, but still swinging from the same old branches of oak. See, now it's the Caucasian educated field nigga, walking across stage in a white robe. And as I look to where I might go, I don't look back to see the black faces. You can call me Mr. Blackface, I'm dawn in my hood. Or I go back, sunset with the dawn of my hood, desiring the sense of belonging in this isolated race, so I become wasted, fitting in the stereotypes that the media negates it. So now I'm oppressor and oppressed all in one, still miseducated, and a progression of a people still betrayed it. See, somewhere down the road we became mistaken and seemed we confused King Kush with his brother Canaan. So we served this world while hiding beneath the bush dying, burning in our flesh while Bush is lying, yet we lying to the burning bush, searching for God. in the wrong direction. Look, Father, I'm not looking to cross the Red Sea. I'll be good with this single brook. See, my beautiful people, for some reason in this due season, we forgot the name of the dude that knew no treason. And now we go vainly to a vanity, reflecting only heathens, giving funeral to ancestral desires of freedom, died and going to the sky. So as the last tear of living water falls from my eye, trying to irrigate the Sahara dry field of my mind, I just can't look